and welcome to Property Question Time. This is the programme where you can have your property related questions answered by our team of property experts. To start off with, Ranjan, your first question is this. The town I lived in used to have a lot of large Regency and Georgian houses which were converted into small office buildings in the 70s and 80s. A lot of them are now going up for sale but with little interest. Is it a good idea to consider buying one and turning it back into residential property, perhaps even an HMO, or would the economics not stack up? I can't see them being let as offices again, but are there any other ideas I could perhaps consider? There just seems to be a lot of bricks and mortar for quite a reasonable price.
Yes, it's a very good question, and it's very much my bag because I do a lot of commercial property. I think there are a couple of key elements in this question. Firstly, it's been hanging about on the market a long time, and there's often a reason for that. The reason for that, I guess, is that the clue's in the question, because it says it's a Regency and period property, which means the chances are that it's a listed building of some kind. And of course, most people are going for the permitted development right, which allows you to convert offices into residential usage. But those rights do not apply to listed buildings.
Sure.
And that's one of the reasons those aren't snapped up as easily, because they have to go through full planning permission. So you don't get the benefit of permitted development rights on period buildings to convert them into residential use. You have to go through full planning. And the other aspect of it is because we also do serviced offices and office rentals, so we know a lot about this market. The sort of office space market has changed a lot. People do not want old buildings because they all need large open plan floor plates, structured cabling, all the rest of it. Yes. And the old buildings with lots of small rooms just don't work anymore. So the reason they're on the market is usually because one, it's going to require planning permission to convert it to any other use. And the listed building aspect is going to involve a lot of unnecessary, well, some people say unnecessary, but a lot of cost in compliance with refurbishing listed buildings. And that's one of the reasons why they hang around.
Now, what about the HMO aspect? Because not all boroughs, not all cities will allow HMOs now, will they?
No. But again, you would have to get full planning permission to convert it back into residential use, even though it may have been residential use to start with. Right. You still have to go through planning.
So it'll be a two-stage process.
Yes.
Go back to residential and then see if you could do an HMO, perhaps.
You can do it in one step, but it's with full planning. That's the problem. But the other issue with HMOs is that the demand for HMOs is very much has gone up market. So people want ensuite bathrooms and the like. So that means you will have to do a level of modification to that building, which then brings you under the listed building regulations.
And minimum room sizes, again, back to your rooms.
Exactly.
Yes. Thank you all for watching. That's all we have time for today. See you next time on Property Question Time.
If you have any questions you'd like to send to the experts at Property Question Time, you can submit them via our website, on social media, or email us on info@propertytelevision.co.uk.
If you enjoyed this video, hit the like button. If you're not a subscriber, what are you waiting for? Subscribe, hit the bell icon. As soon as we upload, we'll let you know. And enjoy these. They're all dedicated to helping you be more successful in property. Happy investing!